Hey everyone, Sabrina here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explore the world of AI. But this isn't your usual AI video. We're talking about that are changing everything. Think AI diagnosing illnesses. Yep. AI managing your money like a pro? Absolutely. Let's go! First, let's talk about something that sounds like science fiction AI that can diagnose diseases. Imagine walking into a doctor's office and instead of just relying on the doctor's expertise, there's an advanced AI system assisting in your diagnosis. This isn't a scene from a futuristic movie, it's happening right now. Now, this isn't about robots doing surgery. It's about sophisticated algorithms that can analyze medical data with incredible precision. These AI systems are designed to support doctors, not replace them. They provide an extra layer of insight that can be crucial in diagnosing complex conditions. It's about giving doctors a super boost. Think of it as having a second pair of eyes, but these eyes can see patterns and anomalies that might be invisible to the human eye. This technology can process vast amounts of data in seconds, something that would take humans much longer to do. Imagine AI looking at X-rays and scans with amazing accuracy. These systems can detect minute details that even the most experienced radiologists might miss. This means earlier detection of diseases, which can lead to better outcomes for patients. These computer programs learn from tons of medical information, finding problems even expert doctors might miss. They are trained on millions of images and data points, constantly improving their accuracy and reliability. This continuous learning process makes them incredibly powerful tools in the medical field. This isn't about replacing doctors, it's about giving them a tool for faster, better diagnoses. Doctors can use AI to confirm their suspicions or to explore new possibilities they hadn't considered. It's a partnership between human intuition and machine precision. It's about giving them a tool for faster, better diagnoses. With AI, doctors can spend more time focusing on patient care rather than sifting through data. This can lead to more personalized treatment plans and a better overall patient experience. Think about diseases that are hard to catch early. Conditions like cancer or heart disease often go undetected until it's too late. AI has the potential to change that by identifying early warning signs that might be overlooked during routine checkups. AI could be a lifesaver. By catching diseases early, we can start treatment sooner and improve the chances of recovery. This technology could revolutionize the way we approach healthcare, making it more proactive rather than reactive. And guess what? This is already happening. Hospitals and clinics around the world are starting to integrate AI into their diagnostic processes. The results have been promising, with many reporting increased accuracy and efficiency. Companies are making AI tools for everything from cancer to heart disease. These tools are designed to assist in diagnosing a wide range of conditions, providing doctors with valuable insights that can help guide treatment decisions. The results are amazing: better accuracy, faster diagnoses, and healthier patients. Patients are receiving more accurate diagnoses, which means they can start the right treatment sooner. This leads to better health outcomes and a higher quality of life. Of course, there are challenges like keeping patient information private and understanding how these programs make decisions. It's important to ensure that these systems are transparent and that patient data is protected. But the potential is huge. AI has the power to transform healthcare, making it more efficient and effective. By working together, humans and machines can achieve incredible things. Imagine AI helping us diagnose diseases earlier, treat them better, and live longer, healthier lives. This technology could lead to a future where healthcare is more accessible and effective for everyone. That's a future I want to see. A future where technology and human expertise come together to create a healthier world for all of us. Okay, healthcare is covered. Now let's talk money. Money is a crucial part of our lives, and managing it wisely can make a huge difference in our quality of life. But let's face it, the world of finance can be intimidating and confusing. How is AI changing how we manage our finances? Let's be honest, managing money can be scary. With so many options and so much information out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But what if there was a way to simplify it all? Stocks, bonds, crypto, it's a lot. Each of these investment options comes with its own set of risks and rewards. Navigating through them requires time, knowledge, and sometimes a bit of luck. But what if you had a tool that could help you make sense of it all? But imagine having an AI financial advisor with you all the time. That's what we're talking about. An AI that can analyze your financial situation, understand your goals, and provide personalized advice. These AI tools can look at your money, your goals, and how much risk you're okay with to make a personalized plan. They can help you diversify your investments, optimize your portfolio, and even alert you to potential opportunities or risks. No more relying on your parents' old-school financial advisor. The new generation of AI financial advisors is here to revolutionize the way we manage our money. They are more accessible, more efficient, and often more affordable. AI can track the market, find good investments, and even make trades for you, all based on your goals. Imagine having a financial expert who never sleeps, constantly working to grow your wealth. And the best part, these tools are getting easier to use for everyone, not just rich people. With user-friendly interfaces and affordable pricing, AI financial advisors are becoming accessible to a wider audience. But be careful. Do your research, understand the risks, and don't trust AI with all your money right away. It's important to stay informed and make sure you understand how these tools work. Think of AI financial advisors as super smart helpers for the confusing world of finance. They can provide valuable insights and help you make more informed decisions, but they are not infallible. They can give great advice and help you make smarter decisions. However, it's still important to use your judgment and not rely solely on AI. But remember, they're not perfect. The market is unpredictable, and no computer program can guarantee success. Always stay vigilant and keep learning about the financial world to make the best decisions for your future. Chapter 3: AI Learning Platforms. The future of education is personalized. Okay, let's talk about education. We've all been bored in class, right? What if learning was tailored to you? That's what AI learning platforms do. These platforms use AI to create a unique learning experience for each student. Imagine learning at your own pace. Struggling with algebra? AI helps you. Great at history? The platform gives you harder material. It's like having a personal tutor 24/7. AI can also find where you need help and suggest resources. It can even change teaching styles to how you learn best. Some people learn by seeing, some by doing. AI can handle that. Some people worry about technology in the classroom. But AI learning platforms aren't about replacing teachers. It's about giving teachers a superpower to understand students better and make learning more fun and effective. Chapter 4: AI Retail Analytics. Because nobody likes a picked-over store. Okay, let's talk about shopping. We all love the thrill of finding exactly what we need, or even better, discovering something we didn't know we wanted. But what happens when the store shelves are empty or the product you want is out of stock? Frustration sets in, right? How is AI changing retail? It's a game changer, really. AI is revolutionizing the way stores operate and how they cater to their customers. It's not just about having the right products, but also about enhancing the overall shopping experience. Ever gone to a store and couldn't find what you wanted? It's a common scenario. You walk in with a list, but leave with only half of what you needed. Or worse, nothing at all. Or it was sold out. This is where AI steps in to save the day. AI Retail Analytics fixes that. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI helps stores predict what products will be in demand and when. This means shelves are stocked with the items you want, exactly when you want them. AI looks at tons of data, what people buy, what they look at online, even social media, to help stores understand what customers want. This is serious personalization. Imagine a system that knows your preferences and can predict your needs before you even realize them. Imagine walking into a store and seeing products just for you. It's like the store is speaking your language, understanding your tastes and preferences, or getting good recommendations based on what you bought before. This isn't just convenient, it's transformative. AI can also help stores manage their inventory better. By predicting what people will buy, stores can have the right products in stock, avoiding sellouts and overstock situations. By predicting what people will buy, stores can have the right products in stock, avoiding sellouts. This means happier customers and more efficient store operations. And don't forget customer service. AI is making strides here too. AI chatbots are getting really smart, answering questions and solving problems quickly. They can handle a wide range of queries, from product information to order tracking, making the shopping experience smoother and more enjoyable. Some people might think this is creepy. The idea of a machine knowing so much about you can be unsettling. And yes, there are privacy concerns. It's important for companies to handle data responsibly and ensure customer privacy is protected. But used responsibly, AI can make shopping better for everyone. It can transform the retail experience, making it more personalized, efficient, and enjoyable. So, next time you walk into a store and find exactly what you need, you might just have AI to thank for that. Chapter 5. AI Traffic Management, Outsmarting Traffic, one algorithm at a time. Let's talk about traffic. We've all been stuck in traffic wishing we'd walked. But what if AI could help? That's the idea behind AI traffic management. These systems use sensors, cameras, and AI to watch traffic and make traffic lights work better. Instead of fixed traffic light timings, AI can change them instantly based on traffic, reducing jams. AI can also improve highway traffic flow, predict accidents, and help emergency vehicles get through traffic faster. This technology is still new, but we're seeing good results. Cities are using AI traffic management and seeing less travel time, less gas used, and even less pollution. Imagine a future where your commute is stress-free. That's what AI traffic management could do. Of course, there are challenges. We need these systems to be reliable, safe, and not cause new problems. Outro, that's a wrap on the future of tech. So there you have it. A look at the exciting world of AI tools changing the future. From healthcare and money to education, shopping, and even traffic, AI is changing how we live and interact with the world. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech videos. See you next time.